How you doing, folks? Big John here for Cars, Trucks, and More. Selling our 2011 Chevy Avalanche, 143,000 miles, brand new tires, rust-free Southern vehicle. Z71 package. Towing package. Nice push bar on the front. And wait till you see the interior, folks. Beautiful black leather interior. No cracks in the dash. Moonroof. Rust free, folks. Look at that. So come visit us at www.ctmas.com.